Hey, I was trying to do a little shorts video on this, but it's just taking too long. So 60 seconds, I just can't talk that fast. So anyway, back to my thing. First I was gonna say, this is the coffee I got from Aldi's, the Starbucks unsweetened coffee. I got it from Aldi's for $5 because you know how I love coffee. And also today I got this, and it's got 34 servings on it. And then it's also got, see the protein, 18 grams of protein, and it's 2 scoops per serving. And so there's like 34 servings in there. There's 20 grams of collagen, 0 sugar. You can mix it hot or cold, chocolate flavor, and it comes in 2 pounds. And it was, the price of this at Sam's was $30, let me try to read my, okay, it was $31 for Sam's. But like I said, it's got about 34 servings, and it's 2 scoops per serving. And look how chocolatey rich that looks. It says you can mix it hot or cold. I put it in my coffee, and I'm gonna stir that up. The only thing in here is this and my Starbucks, and I add a little bit more water to this. And I need one of those mixers, don't I? I need one of those mixers. Usually I just do it with a spoon, with this straw, but let's see how well this stuff mixes up. Come on, don't let me down. I'm doing a video. Oh, by the way, this is not sponsored or anything, but I just want you to know how I like it, if I do or not, you know. Look, right now I like the rich chocolatey looking powder right there. That looks promising. The collagen, 20 grams per serving. That looks promising. 0 sugar, that looks promising. You can mix it hot or cold. And right now I'm mixing it cold because I'm doing a cold brew. Let's see. A little cloudy on top. But if you had one of those, you know those mixers I'm talking about, that little hand, what do you call it, creamer mixers or whatever. Okay. That looks bubbly. Look, mixes up pretty good. You just really need a mixer. I'm trying to stir it with a spoon, so we don't have to waste time going back and forth. See there? Getting all that down. I hope y'all don't get dizzy. But yeah, you see that? Looks pretty good. Let's see. Taste that. Now, that tastes almost like a fudge, like a chocolatey fudge. You know, this would be good for this wintertime for hot chocolates. You know that? This would be so good with your hot chocolates this wintertime because it tastes like fudgy, kind of fudgy chocolate fudge. Imagine putting that in your brownie mixes too, cooking. I don't know if you cook with this. I'm just assuming. I'll have to read more on this. But so far, this stuff tastes really good, and it probably mixes well if you had the right equipment. But I'm trying to do it fast with a string. But anyway, cold brew Starbucks with 2 scoops of this in it. I say 2 thumbs up. This is a-okay with me. Tastes pretty good. Yeah, gotta have more later. You know, like hot. Try it hot because this tastes like a hot chocolate. Okay, y'all. This is not sponsored, by the way. I just wanted y'all to know. I like this stuff. Like I said, I got it from Sam's for $31. Okay, talk to y'all later. Gotta get to cooking.